Okay, so hi guys. So I am back with my very first postpartum blog. So I had this whole idea that after I give birth, I would just start turning out this blog. So that hasn't been happening, obviously. So new mom life is exactly how everyone says new mom life is. So I won't have a long intro. So anyway, this is just me doing a quick video, like super quick video of my newest like mama purchase, which is a wearable breast pump. And I think it's a good idea to share with you guys because I found it so cool that there's this kind of breast pump available in the market. I bought it on Shopee. I can share the link if anyone asks. Wow. And yeah, I mean, it's actually very empowering for moms to be able to pump and all of that. Though for me, it's not really like a major need right now because I'm at home anyway, working at home, and I can just direct latch my baby all the time, and it's so much more convenient. But I mean, we have to be optimistic here, and sometimes I do want to be able to give him a bottle if his grandma is holding him or if my husband is holding him. So I've been looking at options, and I've been using a haka, which has been working just fine. But I think you also need to look at options that I can use to actually like get more out of my boobs, like build an emergency stash, have more bottles just in case I have plans of going out, but there's nothing like that anytime soon. So anyway, um, yeah, so I filmed basically an unboxing, a first try, and then I recorded a few quick impressions. So let's get right to it. Okay, so here it is, the wearable breast pump. So fits your bra and your life, wearable, small, light, and worn inside your bra. Hands-free with nothing to slow you down. Silent. We have yet to find out. Quick to assemble, easy to clean. No cords, no wardrobe changes, no fuss. Silent wearable breast pump. So wala siyang brand. So it's a motor and the collector with the flanges inside. Okay. And then ito yung mga manufacturing details niya. So 5 volts, operating temperature. Okay. Okay, so very straightforward. Then let's open it. Okay, so inside the box there is a USB. Ano to? I think these are the flanges that go inside. And I know that these are silicone parang bra extenders kasi it goes inside your bra. And then there's the manual. Let's put that out later. And then here I have the so lalagyan lang yan. So I'm gonna put it here. So here is the actual pump. Yan. So I got the pink one. And this is the motor. This is the collector slash suction. This is the flange. So let's look at the motor first. So yan. Ito kami charge. Uy, meron. Oh. So, gumagana na siya. Extra lang itong isa. Okay. So, ito yung mga modes niya. Tapos ito. Let's see what happens. Okay. Backflow protector, duckbill valve. This is 24 mm. And then ito, I believe. Okay, paalam ko paano tanggalin. So, wag muna. Mamaya na. Ito yung motor, and then you can charge it by USB. So those are the parts. Okay, so this is the breast pump after I've taken it apart and then reassembled it myself. So uh, motor on top, and then um, diaphragm, valve, flange, everything inside the collector. So maganda naman yung manual niya, basta ang kailangan lang naka-align yung parang may marker na ganito yung collector, tapos kailangan naka-align mabuti um, yung mga inner parts. So may guide naman, and also here parang may kailangan i-align. Okay. So I'm gonna try to put it on right now. Okay, so it's now inside my nursing bra, as you can see, and it's really hands-free. I just don't know how this will work talaga kung like if I have to work or carry a baby, but so far naman it feels not painful. I think I can carry my baby on the other side. It feels secure naman. So I'm gonna turn it on. So right now, it's doing massage mode. I'm actually wearing the breast pump right now, and I've actually had it on for a few minutes. So it takes really careful effort to place it in properly, because you need to have it secured firmly at the scientific nipple, adjust your bra, and so on to get like a good suction going. I have to be very still while I'm doing this. So right now it's pumping, but I noticed that the suction kind of weakens if I'm walking. So I think I still need to be sitting down while I'm pumping. But I guess one good thing about this is that it is hands-free, and actually I can actually also feel like my other boob like trying to do a letdown also. So I'll update you later about how is this. I think it has an auto shut off after 20 minutes, but I'll probably just try 10 minutes for now. So this was what I was able to collect in one pumping session. It looks like it's a lot of fine milk, which is good. Sorry, it's not that clear. Here. Okay, so what happened was after that last video, I transferred the pump to my other boob, and then for around the same time frame, around 15 minutes, it yielded the same output, around 1 ounce. So all in all, I had 2 ounces for about 30 minutes worth of pumping, and it automatically stopped after 15 minutes. So I think that's good enough, or was it 20 minutes? I'm not sure. So I think that's an okay output, because I'm still direct latching my baby, so most of my milk would go to him, and I wasn't able to store my milk already because right after that, actually I was still pumping. It wasn't like quite done. My baby woke up and started crying and got hungry, so I gave him I gave him directly my freshly pumped milk. So that was it. So there. So all in all, I've already washed it, so I don't have it with me right now anymore, obviously. All in all, I think it's a neat pump. So I like that it's wireless. It's actually very quiet, more quiet than the desktop pump I was using, and I like that it's very easy to assemble, very simple to clean, less parts, no tubes to worry about, no like electricity or battery operated parts to worry about. You just have the take off the pump and then wash everything. It's very, very straightforward, and then I like that it works. So there, I like that the flange is made of silicone, so it's very soft, so it feels so much more comfortable compared to a hard plastic flange. If there's anything I don't like, well, yeah, so it's not the hands-free claim is you have to take it with a grain of salt because you have to make sure that it's very secure inside your bra so that you get a good suction going. So I felt first impressions that movements or too much walking or even carrying my baby could cause the suction to dislodge quite a bit. So you still have to be sitting down and very still to get a good pump going. But it's still pretty wireless, so that's okay. Also, I felt that you have to be very careful to tip down and take it out after you're done pumping because there's a huge tendency for the milk to spill out of your pump if anything goes wrong. So like I think what happened when I was testing it, the flange popped open from the collector and then a little bit of my milk actually spilled out. So buti na lang I was just testing. Imagine if I was actually doing a real pumping session and then like all of my hard work would spill just because of the way it was built. So you have to be very careful to take it out. All in all, I think it's a good option for a wearable pump if you're like the kind who you want at least like to be able to stand up or not to worry about plugging things or not worry about carrying anything. So yeah, I mean, I think it's good. It's very affordable. I mean, as pumps go, at least there are parts readily available for it. The motor seems good, and yeah. So there, that's it.